Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Jukut Bejek. It's one of the very popular vegetable dish from Bali. And also in Balinese we call it Plecing Kacang or Plecing Kacang Panjang. So for this recipe, later I'm going to use 300 grams of the snack bean. But I'm not going to use them all because we only use them later around 250 grams because I'm going to cut the hard part of it and also this hard part. And later I'm using 2 kaffir lime leaf, 1 kaffir lime fruit, 2 candle nuts, 5 shallot, 4 garlics, 2 Bali hot pepper, 4 grams of aromatic ginger or lesser galangal, in bahasa we call it kencur, and 2 grams of turmeric, shrimp paste, some salt, coconut milk, palm sugar, chicken stock, white peppercorn, fresh shallot, and some fresh water. Later also I'm going to use some ice water because after we boil the snack bean, I'm going to put it into ice water to keep the color green. So let's start. First, I'm going to boil the water. I'm going to add 1 liter of water and also half teaspoon of salt. You can use more water, just enough to cover the vegetable later. While we're waiting the water boiling, I'm going to cut the snack bean. So we're going to remove this hard part. And I'm going to cut around 10 centimeter. You don't use if this looks like this. So the water is ready. I'm going to add the snack bean. We cook it for 1.5 minutes until 2 minutes, or until it's soft enough to divide it. The snack bean is ready now. I'm going to put it into the ice water. Oh, let's turn it off the cooker first. So I put it into the ice water. So now I'm going to prepare the yellow coconut paste. I'm going to cut the shallot, garlic, so we're going to blend them. I'm going to add shrimp paste, a 1/4 teaspoon, half teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of palm sugar, and 3 tablespoons of chicken stock. So we're going to blend it until smooth. So now we're going to fry the paste. Just now I forget to mention that also we need a vegetable oil. Medium heat, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. The oil is ready. Now we're going to add the paste. Stir it occasionally. We cook it until the aroma is came from the paste. It's around 2 until 3 minutes. Just make sure the paste is not get burned. So now I'm going to add 2 kaffir lime leaf and 60 ml of coconut milk. Cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes or until the paste is get thicker. So now the paste is ready. Let's turn it off the cooker. While waiting the paste cool down, then I'm going to grind the snack bean. So just give a little squeeze. So now we're going to divide it to 2. Because it tastes better when you divide it to 2 like this rather than just using whole like this. So now the paste is cool enough to handle. So now I'm going to add into the vegetable. Add the half juice of kaffir lime fruit and mix it well. Why this vegetable is called Jukut Bejek? Because when you mix it like this, you need to squeeze it like this. So in Balinese, bejek is means squeeze. So it's ready now. Let's plate it. So I just put a little pinch of white pepper. This is an optional if you like a little heat. And some fresh shallot. Here we are, Jukut Bejek. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes and I will see you next time. Matur suksema. Bye bye.